Yeah, sure. So the key points we're going to cover tomorrow is our use of powder bed fusion in avionic equipment within Thales, but also the main topic I'd like to share is how we need to collaborate more within the aerospace industry, not necessarily on our key market leading future strategy, but it's more around the areas that we consider business as usual. So how our industry can actually look to consolidate the information we already know for simple components like the use of plastic parts. If we do that together as a collaboration, then that will help us actually make our own leaps into some more IP related areas. I think the main challenges at the minute is actually really focusing just on the bigger picture, the end goal of where we want to be, which is looking to print those real key structures within airframes. But actually if we look and take it as smaller incremental chunks, like how we look to get components onto flight trials and how we look to get components in other non-critical areas, that will actually allow us to take smaller incremental steps. We've obviously got the end goal to get up here, but actually I think if we focus more on the near term, that will help us achieve that end goal sooner. So the main difference, I'd say, actually with this conference compared to others is it's generally run and driven by industry rather than by machine suppliers and service bureaus on that side. So it's more a point where we can come and talk together from an industrial perspective. And we can also start to present the things we've done, which tends to be one of the main topics. And the thing I'd like to see a bit differently perhaps for next year is for us to talk more about areas where we sort of open up some of our business as usual topics to more of the partners. And I think that's one of the big things to take away, is actually to see what we're actually doing rather than our sort of roadmap for future work.